The rising air and water pollution is really a matter of concern for all of us. Honorable NGT, through various orders, always emphasize on this point to manage the STPs or the ETPs in a proper way. As a step forward, the NDS Hub, Environment Department, UT Chandigarh, in collaboration with NEETER Chandigarh, organized one course under Green Skill Development Program. This program was sponsored by Ministry of Environment and Forest Climate Change under Green Skill Development Program, and this is the program in line with the Skill India mission of Honorable Prime Minister.
The Green Skill Mission Development, the planned program of Government of India, when is supported by a national institute like National Institute of Technical Research, Training and Research, Chandigarh, can create that ecosystem for the placement of the people with value-added skill and theoretical knowledge, so that the people who are searching for the job, they can be employable. And I am confident that the type of expertise the Center for Clean Technology and Sustainable Development of NEETER Chandigarh is having, when it is supported by very proactive Chandigarh administration, specifically the NBS Hub, can create many such employable opportunity for the people who are aspirant to become part of the Green Skill Development Mission.
Because of the very stringent guidelines from the Green Tribunal, and industries are facing a lot of shortage in terms of manpower to run their treatment plants. So this particular program has been designed by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change under the Green Skill Development Program of Government of India to impart training to the participants so that they acquire required skills in running the treatment plants efficiently. And with this background, the participants were selected who has shown their interest in undergoing the training in this particular area, and the basic emphasis was given to provide them the required skills in terms of managing the treatment plants with respect to their routine operation, troubleshooting.
At the end of the program, survey was also organized by the department, in which these participants were divided into groups. They visited many industries in the adjoining industrial area in UT. They prepared a database which will be helpful for the improvement of existing ETPs, STPs and CTP.
This certificate program on ETP, CTP and STP was very well carefully designed and programmed by Ministry of Environment and Climate Change, and this was being conducted by National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, and the presiding session was conducted by the eminent personalities like Mr. S.S. Patnaik, T.C. Nautiyal, Mr. Sanjay Sharma, and this program has been very well designed for the growth and the development of environmental and their groups, society groups, and we have gained immense knowledge and understanding about the subject matter, and we welcome and congratulate the team. Thank you.
जहाँ से कोर्स से रिलेटेड प्लेसमेंट की बात है तो काफ़ी सारी कंपनीज आई थी, तो उसमें कुछ लोकल कंपनीज भी थी, कुछ बाहर की भी थी। तो हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स थे काफ़ी उन्होंने अच्छा मतलब इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया था और काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया था, तो काफ़ी बच्चों की प्लेसमेंट हो गई थी अच्छी ठीक ठाक।
हम लोगों ने ओवरऑल इस कोर्स से काफ़ी नॉलेज गेन करी, काफ़ी इंडस्ट्रियल टूर किए, काफ़ी एफ्लुएंट ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट की ब्रीफली नॉलेज गेन करी और काफ़ी कुछ सीखा। इस कोर्स से हमारे को इंटरनली एफ्लुएंट ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट की सारी टेक्नोलॉजी का ब्रीफ में नॉलेज आई और हमने काफ़ी कुछ सीखा इस कोर्स से।